I'm Mike McDowell, and this is my book, Demotainment, The Art of Delivering Demos That Engage, Inspire, and Drive Results. What is demotainment? Demotainment is really just delivering demos that aren't boring. You try to be fun. You try to be engaging. You involve the audience more. You try to make a connection with people. These things don't sound crazy. If you've read any other pre-sales books, they probably sound like things you've already tried to do. But the way I do it is a little different. I try to blend a little bit more entertainment, a little bit more humor, a little bit more fun to keep my audience on their toes. I actually got feedback from one of my sales reps this week. He showed me something that the customer had said, asking me to come back on another call, and said, "Oh, that guy's name was Mike, right? He was a fun dude." And that's exactly what I like to do in my demos. I actually try to engage, try to get them thinking about the fun they had during the demo. It stands out from any other product demos that they've seen. You don't need to be some kind of performer to do this, I promise. Everything in the book will help you figure out how to create a persona for yourself that is the entertainer, the demotainer, the presenter. It's what it's all about. Pick up a copy today and you're going to just have a lot more fun delivering that same presentation over and over again. So pick up your copy now.